Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start on the Miata again. Was going to do the rear suspension, but I ain't been feeling the best. I think we're going to get started by doing a fuel pump. I have deatschwerks. No, part numbers 91010848. It is the 100, deatschwerks 100. So, and we're going to try to get that in today, which will be interesting because I have a roll bar. But we'll figure it out. Let's get after it. Alright, well, that looks somewhat alright. See if we can get this carpet out of here. Yeah. You know, well, where'd that go? Not quite enough room to work in here, especially if you got, you know, all of that. I really got to get some more of these. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Yep, that's fine. Sure. Alright. Now let's quit. Oh, I've got all those too, don't I? Looks like I got some back there. I'm gonna have to climb to get to. We're just, yep, pulling through the carpet. That's fine. Not a concern right now. Not gonna try to get that back there. Right. So, oh yeah, which I already broke anyway. Need to resolder it. Right. The rear window defrost, I broke it. We'll just shove that out the window. Look at that. Sure. I got this stuff. Come on. Alright. Seat's in the way. Everything's in the way. Alright. What do we need now? Need a Phillips screwdriver? Maybe a short one? Yep. Sorry if the audio is a little weird. I don't have a mic for this thing, so it'll be what it is for now. But let's get a screwdriver. Still. Is it stubby enough? Is the question. I probably could have got a normal one on there. Oh, come on. Phew. Why is that one black? Don't know. One screw that's black. I didn't paint it. I don't think I did. No. Don't know. Yours will probably all be silver. I painted them with some bed liner, quieted it down a little bit, and this one was rusty. I don't know if you can see back there, it's missing stuff. Screw's not in it. Oh, there's two of them that are black. Not a clue. Come on. Just reach. Keep smacking that light. Sure. Now, will you come off of there? Yep, sure will. Sweet. Check you over there. Yep, sure. Alright. Looks like that's our fuel pump. I do recommend disconnecting battery. Blah blah blah. I also did not let the pressure out of these lines. I guess, well, we might as well do that. Alright, so I do not see a fuel pump fuse that I can pull. I'm not going to look for it, I don't really care. I've already got this apart. I'm going to disconnect, well, if I can, I'm going to disconnect this fuel pump physically, you know, no, it's not connected. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn the motor over a few times. That should bleed everything out of the system. And then we can take these lines off. Alright, so I have these fuel line disconnects. I believe these are meant for a Ford. So, you know, let's see if these work at all. They may not. This one's smaller. One I was using is smaller. Can I get it in there though? Because there's that bend there. No. Well, if that bend wasn't there, will these ones work this way? No, probably not. Or no, yeah, they will. Sweet. We'll spill a little fuel. It's fine. Probably should have got a rag for that, but it looks like these ones you can actually squeeze together. But to get that off, you would actually have to get these underneath there. Then it pulls those off. Yeah, you get the point. I'm not gonna try. Alright, come on. Here's the other line. That looks like so Phillips's. So there. Take it easy on them. Actually, here I'll leave it. See if we can't get you some more light. You know? See a little better. We're gonna put these screws right there. Looks like a good spot, right? Another screw. Don't know. Looks like there's some bracket holding something over there. I ain't worried about that yet. We're worried about taking screws out. I can't get to it. I gotta contort my body around a roll bar. It's okay. Could be worse, I guess. Now, if you don't have a roll bar, this would be real easy. Right now, I can't see that screw. Can't see what I'm doing at all. I know it's there. Oh, that's not a screw. That's a screw. Oh, sounds like the doggy wants back in. Oh. Alright. Better let the dog in. Anywho. So, can I get my arm in here again? Any more screws? Did I miss one? Nope. Alright. He's freed up. Everything's gonna be in the way, it looks like. Okay. There. Fold you over there. Or don't. Fold you and you that way. You under the pump. There you go. Let her drip a little. Well, tank looks clean. Here, can you just rest right there? Okay. Here's some paper taggles. Then the real question is, how do I get it out from behind this roll bar? All right, let's see if we can get it out of here. I'll try not to bend that. No. That thing attached to that little wire there is fuel sender. Tells your fuel gauge if you have gas or not. So, no, don't swing. Just a swing, and it's really not dripping that much gas or anything. Can we finagle it? Yay! Alright, let's get this hell out of here before I drip fuel everywhere. Alright, so from the way it looks like somebody has replaced this pump. It looks to me like they didn't do it right, but you know, whatever. Some people don't have the right tools or experience. Hey, it ran the whole time I owned it, so it's better than nothing. Goodbye. Goodbye. But it's okay. We'll redo it. Anywho. Screwdriver. Does look like stock-ish. Let's see if we can get these off. Yeah. Okay. Dookie. Give me. Yeah, flip it back over and access that a little better. Give me the pump. Alright. The foam thing. Yeah, she's rusted a little bit, so she's been in there a little while.
Walbro, yeah. It's a decent pump, but it's gone now. I ain't reusing it, but we need to fix this. I don't like the little crimpy connectors. All the way off. I just want you gone for now. Might even probably reuse that if it doesn't shatter on me. How do you come out? Like this? Like that, yeah. It's like you gotta push down on that little deal. So, hell, I don't even know if you can see me. Probably, yeah. So, anyway. Black is black and blue is red. That's pretty easy to remember that. We'll just go ahead and cut this off. I would like those more straighter. I can tell those are half decent. Yeah, you know. Oh, nope, that one wasn't on there very good. Anyways, they're gone now. Don't care. They be gone now. What do you feel like? You feel all right still. You don't matter a whole lot. Okay. Next. I'll just squeeze you out of the way. I don't know if I need that. Probably do. Definitely need that. Don't need that. Need that. Sorry if I'm sniffly. I'm a little sick. I'll be alright. She's not got the easy open. She got the, yeah. She right open. Yep. And that drawer is, that's just my mix them up drawer anyway. You just sort through that though. Okay. Unlock savings. I need savings. Look at that. Deatschwerks sticker. Sock. Little retainer, which goes like that. Get to that in a minute. New clamps. Clamp. Hey, it comes with a new hose. Might as well go ahead and replace on that too. And it comes with a new one of those. So that goes bye-bye. Sweet. Sorry. Anyway, we won't open that yet. Or that. We're worried about that. That being said, excuse me. That being said, we might actually install the pump first, so we know what to cut that down to. That's what we'll do. Oh, yeah, just go ahead and roll off table. All right. Out of my way. Everything out of my way. So take you off. Off. Now, I'll use the same. Yeah, you're the same size. Make sure it's the same size before I, you know, take this off the easy way. I don't recommend doing that because you can scrape stuff, but that's what I'm doing, and I did a little bit. It's all right though. That's all right though, because I have stuff to fix that. That's, yeah, can you feel it now? It would have been fine anyway. This is I don't know, 2000 grit or something. Get her all smooth. I'll probably just send you all the way on there. Alright, sock. That's just part of the pump, isn't it? Yeah, that's just part of the pump. I couldn't tell if that was like something I needed to take off or part of the pump. Hey, I don't have to cut this one. Look at that. Sock. Don't want to lose that. You need that. I mean, I guess you could not use it, but that might not be good. No, this can go on, right? Holy. It's tight fit. I mean, it's a good thing anyways. I mean, which way should we? This thing's gonna be down in there like that. It can't go that way, it's gotta go that way. Okay. Which I figured. Now this stupid thing goes around that. Yeah, sure. So, goes this way. Yep. Looks like we're gonna want that foam on there to space that, which is fine. Go down. Stick that on there again. Yep, I like it. Take you off. And then, come on. Slide on down. Come on. Come on. And now I don't have to take my clamps apart to put them on there. It's fine though. Be alright. We can do that. 304. I don't know what these are made out of. We'll use the ones they sent with it. The ones they sent with it are stainless steel. So that's what we'll do. Come on. Come on. Go on there. Come on. Don't fight me. always have problems with flathead stuff. Slip off and slip off. Anyway, next. The only other issue I have is, no, I think those zip ties are okay for this. Oh, come on. Oh. Come on. Would ya? I'm having a heck of a time. It'll be alright though. Might be a little tight. You're good. Sock's good. Well, sock's not good, but it's fine. It'll still come off. So, oh, don't fight me. Anyway, here's this thing. Squeeze. Oops, whatever. I have no clue if you can see me or not. Can you see me? Nope, can't. Nope, hold on. Yeah, you can still see me. So, I'm gonna take this little stupid deal. See if we can't smash wonder maybe. Well, would ya? Don't know. Let's use a screwdriver, I guess. I don't know the best way to put these on. Don't. Just smash. Just smash, right? Yep. Smash it back and forth, smash, smash more. Yeah, she's on. Anywho. Nope, wrong way. Alright. You just go back in there. You do what I tell you. Now that I fixed that problem, these are those. Don't know. Smaller's probably better, but I don't. Yeah. No. I mean, we'll need you in a minute. Like a big one for that though. Yeah. Is that even gonna shoot? Wow. Are you serious? I don't know if I have any longer ones. No. Well, I definitely sort of kind of have longer ones. You know, we'll just stick a couple of them together. work. All right. I don't know how you all cut your zip ties, but you know, I wouldn't do, no. I go sideways. There's a little bump there. It might cut you later, but this won't, because I'm not gonna stick my arm down in the fuel tank while this is in there. So it's fine. Anyway. So pump that U. So we'll do something like U and then U, but we need a little extra. Somewhere in there. I like it. Yeah. Now you can go over there. Get some of this stuff out of my way. I just squeeze it over there. Don't need those. You got this, that, this, that, that. And this. Right? Yep. Oh, nope. And the oldest soldering iron ever. Yes, that is your grandma's old lamp cord. It's fine. Get that out of the way. Let's just do that. And, you know, burn myself way on them scissors later. Anyway, strip these wires out here. Something like that. Yep. Yeah, they look okay. Them. You somewhere. Ain't gonna do that again. That definitely didn't do what I wanted it to. Fix that problem. Yeah, use that fire right there by your fuel pump, whatnot. Might as well at least have this one the same, right? I'm gonna give them away. Oh, all right. That's off. So, did that. Forgot one thing. I got this little weird, you know, got one of these things. Yeah. It's not the best. But seems like that just keeps looking worse and worse every time I open the thing. But I've had it forever, so you know. And then before you forget, like I just about did, I like it. This heat shrink has the glue in the center, so that's what I'm using. Hopefully that's not too big. I don't think so, but I don't know. I think that one's too small. So we'll even color match it. I don't normally do that. Don't really care. I can obviously see what color the wire is, then I don't care if the heat shrink matches. Come on, give me a little more. Yeah, just not doing what I want you to do. Just want a little goop. A little, not too much. Anyway, that soldering iron's kind of warm by now. We'll go ahead and do a little no, don't have the spill wool and whatnot. It'll be fine. I like these. You know, they just feed out, you know, little cheap things, but I like it. Solder iron's hot enough yet. No, it's hot enough. Come on. Heat her up. A little more on there. What is going on with you? Had a little piece frame off there. Yeah, and just lick your fingers. Beautiful. That one stuck together. Got the goop on it still, but she's stuck. She's good. It's good. Next one. Now, stabby, stabby. Stabby, stabby. Come on. Yeah, and this is how I solder. You do it however you want to do it. I know this works. It's fine. If anybody can tell me what kind of solder or the way I'm doing it, who else uses this technique, then yeah, that'd be interesting. Most people probably don't know. It's fine. Come on. Heat it up. There we go. Melt it. Ew. You're not cooperating. You're gonna have to be a pain for me, aren't you? Thing works, but I argue with it sometimes. Beautiful. I'll plug that solder iron. It's 1,000,000 degrees. You know, wait for it to cool off a minute. Use your fingers, you know. Phew, that was a little hot. Anyway. A lot of people use lighters whenever to heat shrink these. You know. Don't need the torching. Just a little bit, don't melt them. Don't know if you can see, it squeezes the glue out. Sealed good now. Yeah, got our connector. She's fixed, done, did. Just over there. The door's too hard to get into, camera's there, you know. Let's move you back in. Cool down, cool. Anyway, wrong way. Yeah. Then we got a little extra. We can run it along there, keep it out of the way of stuff. But actually, I might as well take that off there. Come off. You just squeeze it, right? Yeah, no. Anyway, we're gonna try to feed this back on because it's the right thing to do. So for this time, it's not got those, well, you've seen them, not got those little crimpy things on there. Maybe I can fit them over these. Sure. It's gonna be perfect. No. It'll be good enough though. It'll be good enough. Beautiful. Doesn't go the whole length, but you know, it's together. It's, you know, it's better than it was. So now we're gonna plug you in. Man, the wires that come with these are pretty stiff. Okay, so you're plugged in. That's what I was meaning. I was hoping it would kind of push it that way, having that little bit of extra wire. And then we can use a little zip tie right here. A little zip tie action. So it holds that because you don't want it in the way of this, which it shouldn't be anyway. You know? Why not? Because why not? That's why. Double up. Looks beautiful now. So that's the end of that. A sock on, clamps, electrical. I always run everything through my head because I forget stuff. So, clamps all the way in. We can tighten that a little bit more actually. Got a little loose. You're good. Yeah, looks good. Didn't forget nothing, did we? No, yes, no, yep, no, yep, nope. Okay. Well, let's get back in the car. All right. So, time to put it back. You know, squeeze her through this roll bar. Preferably not to scrape the crap out of it. Squeeze. All right. It all goes this way. Yeah, hit the glass on the back of the car. Yep, sure. Oh, yep, hook my light. Alright. Everything's in the way. Phew! Go in there. I'm also real glad that tank is incredibly clean. Just fall down in there. Yep. Okay. Oh, I hit the horn. Keep doing that. Some sort of clip back here. I'm trying to get it back on. I don't know quite what that goes to, nor if it's important. Probably not. Probably not. Now, just stick some screws back in, you know? Screw her down. It's probably one of the easier fuel pumps I've ever done. You know, Jeep being one of the hardest fuel pumps I did because I had to do it 3 times. The 3rd time was real easy though, you know. When you sawzall a hole in the back fucking floorboard and, you know, make yourself a little access hatch, then the fuel pump hasn't gone out since. You know, you make an easy hatch and then it never goes out again. Those Jeeps, what are those called? One-way valve, whatever. It's supposed to keep fuel in the fuel rail for when you go to start it the next time. That kept going out. So, and of course that screw won't go in. So, I should have known better. Got ahead of myself, okay? The normal practice here is don't tighten down anything until they're all in. That's what I should have done. Yeah. Come on. Find your hole. It found it. I do tell you one thing. It'd be real easy to lose one of these screws. Come on, find a hole. There you go. Is you partially magnetic? Look at that. Yeah. Just, you know, contort your body all weird. Maybe. Don't lose the screwdriver. Yeah. Here, man. I got. I'm gonna end up hitting that horn again, ain't I? Scares me every time I hit it. First, you know, train horns are awful loud. can probably see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm using my finger to figure out where the hole is. I can't shove my head through these roll bars. So I'll take a, you take your finger, find the hole, keep your finger on it, and find your finger with the screw. Oop, and then you fall off the screw and have to find the screw again. Now I'm gonna go around and tighten all these down. You, right there, maybe, yes, no, nope, nope. Oh, 17th time's a charm. I don't know who the heck told everybody it's the 3rd time. There's a lot. Ah, there went the horn again. Oh, scared the dog too. I'm telling you, there's no room to do this. Got a roll bar, got a seat in the way. It's alright. Somebody ain't got a roll bar, won't have a problem. Yeah, get it. Alright. You, my friend, go over that. That's on there. Yeah. You're on there. Then we'll plug her back in. It should be that. Alright. Guess we'll see if it starts now. Alright. So now we're going to see if this thing will crank over. I'm going to cycle that key about 10 times. That'll help that fuel pump prime. Actually, I think that's about enough. Alright, see if she starts. Yep. Runs fine. So, anyway, that's the fuel pump. Easy enough. I'm gonna get all that carpet, everything put back in there later. The carpet's kind of dirty. That's kind of dirty. I'm gonna clean all that up before I put it back. All right, well, that's the end of that one. Thank you all for watching, hanging out with me. Hopefully this helps a few of you. My only recommendation with that fuel pump, I would recommend soldering those wires. At the very least, at least put some of that heat shrink with the glue on it. Keep you from getting stuff in there, causing an issue later on. But again, thank you for hanging out. I'll catch you in the next one.